Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and monetize on TikTok? This is going to be the only video that we'll be talking about. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So with over 1 billion users, TikTok has quickly become one of the most popular online social channel in the world. It is no surprise when you consider the opportunities it creates for people to laugh, learn, and make a lot of money. In this video, we're going to be talking about the strategies for monetizing TikTok. Number one is going to be posting consistent, high quality content to grow your following. First things first, you need an audience. After all, the more followers you have, the more opportunities you'll have to earn money. The question is, how do you reach new people and build a decent following? When it comes to TikTok, or when it comes to how TikTok's algorithm works, the platform is famously secretive. However, one thing that seems to impact content creators' success is how regularly they post with TikTok. Consistency is key. So try to post at least once a day if you can. It's a good idea to use relevant hashtags and jump on trends such as dances or challenging or trending challenge videos to increase the likelihood of your videos being seen. But what's most important than anything else is that you focus on making videos you enjoy and that feel authentically you. The second is going to be joining TikTok's Creator Fund. Once you build a decent following, you can apply to be a part of the TikTok Creator Fund. This program pays you based on the number of views your videos receive, with the pay currently sitting around 0.2 to 0.4 cents per thousand views. It may not sound like much, but remember, as you continue to scale your platform, this can really add up. Of course, the more engaging and high quality your content, the more views you'll get. To meet the fund's eligibility criteria, you need to be at least 18 years old, have a minimum of 10,000 followers, and have received at least 100,000 views in the last 30 days. And the last way you can go ahead and earn on TikTok is going to be by leveraging brand partnerships and sponsored content. That's a whole another topic. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.